I think the way that one person lives artfully is that we all live very differently in our own artful way. I think I like to entertain, host people at my home and cook dinners. It's the same reason why I love any one of my interior design projects. It's like you spend all this time preparing and getting things ready for this moment where everyone can come together and just sit back and enjoy it. We spent hours, days, years on a project, all the little minutia from paperwork to design, and it's all for this one moment for the clients to walk in and just say, oh my God, I get it now. All those little things coming together where you can sit back and just take a deep breath and just enjoy it together because everyone feels it. Everyone feels it in that moment.